Well, welcome to our wrap-up edition of the best places to rent and take out a kayak. We did 5 episodes here. George, let's start with what you thought was the best of all of the ones that we did.
Okay, so personally, my favorite one is the one we did in Chengqiao. Think about this, doing a full loop around a little island in Hong Kong. That's epic.
Yeah, it was a great day out. I mean, one of the great things about Chengqiao is that you have a huge variety, that you get some rough seas, some real sort of ragged coastline, but you also get to go inside the harbour where it was nice and peaceful.
Good food.
Great food, some really nice local culture as well if you want to stop off. Lots of places to stop off along the way, and a really fun day out. It was just about the right distance as well. Now let's move on to what you thought was the easiest. Which would you recommend for somebody who's not really into kayaking and maybe doing it for the first time to get used to getting out on the sea?
If you're a beginner, I will highly recommend you to go try Green Egg Island. So first of all, it's a very short distance kayaking. It's about like 45 minutes kayak to the Green Egg Island, and then you have beautiful views where you can do snorkeling, take a rest at the beach. Yeah, it's great.
No, it is a really nice day out. Very easy-going day out, I've got to say. And then finally, George, let's talk about what you think was the most challenging to you. If somebody is an experienced kayaker and they want to really push themselves, which one would they do?
If you are so experienced like us, then you can try Bassa Island. Yeah, you can see a lot of sea arches.
Yeah, we did. We went through 2 sea arches. We did a couple of islands. You can go further afield, but there is a limit. You have to be back by 4 o'clock for that one, which is a bit of a shame, but it is quite a stretch to get to it as well. But that, for me, actually was the best. I had been wanting to get through one of those sea arches for a long time. Now, you have to time the tides right to make sure that you do it, but it's well worth it if you have the time. And certainly trying to get to 2 sea arches in a day is a challenge and something that we quite enjoyed.
Yeah, and the distance is very long. It's about 20 kilometers in the sea.
Now, we're putting all the links below, and as always, please like and subscribe. Before we go, though, we want to just quickly mention our book on Hong Kong's best walks, 10 best walks. The idea of this book is to give it to a friend and challenge them to do it. We have links with QR codes to maps as well as to our videos, plus space in the book to write your own notes and put your own pictures. It's something that we hope a lot of people are going to take up for next winter. But for now...
And also we're doing special offer on this one. So it's now 250 Hong Kong dollars.
Yes, over at our website at droneandphone.com. But for now, my name's DJ.
And I'm George.
And this is Drone and Phone.